How to turn off pop-up blocker in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's get started. Open up your browser and then you need to go to the three dots in the top right. And then scroll down, head over to settings. Now on the left hand side, tap on privacy and security. There at the end you can see site settings, tap on it and scroll down and you'll be able to see pop-ups and redirects. Just tap on it and then you can see site can send pop-ups and use redirects. Now if you want to turn it off, then you can tap on don't allow. So that's how it works. And if you want to switch it, you can just tap on sites can send pop-ups again. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.